Dodi, Sushant Singh Rajput, Kriti Sanon, and Jim Sarb in a very stylish avatar. So what we'll do is, we'll take a look at the trailer. Are we all set? I know, हम सब wait कर रहे थे. Are we all set? Right. Maddock Films और T-Series की तरफ से आपका स्वागत. एक छोटा सा instruction, छोटी सी request कि when we play the trailer, उस समय if you don't, broadcast it live somewhere किसी platform पे तो अच्छा रहेगा because it will be sent to you. The links would be sent to you. Right? We good? बाकी तो we can go live and enjoy the trailer launch.
Good afternoon. This film is about an unexplainable connect, and I've had it with this script for a very long time. I couldn't understand why. And along the way, I've been very fortunate to meet a lot of people who've gone way beyond what their job entails to help even this trailer come through. You guys know who you all are. Thank you very much. I've been around for 12 years in this business making films, and this is the first time my mother's here. Thank you so much for being there always. There was a time when I didn't know whether I would make this film. I thought maybe I shouldn't make this film, and you know how we all doubt ourselves. And at that point of time, we did a small test with Sushant and Kriti. And in that room, there was this energy, and they almost made the scene, the first scene, they kind of meet in a chocolate shop. They made that scene come alive. And thank you to both of them because they kind of gave me the confidence, and I said, yes, this film is about this very energy that the two of them share, and they were meeting for the first time. So from my mind to Shiv and Saira, to Sushant and Kriti, I'd like to call, without any further ado, my lead cast, Sushant Singh Rajput and Kriti Sanon.
Woo.
You all want to say something? I think you should talk about your connects, and let's get that out of the way only. The big screen off screen, just say it all.
Zabardasti. No, but I really want to say that I truly believe that sometimes, when you meet some people, you really connect with them much more than you connect with the others. You tend to have long conversations without even knowing each other. So that unexplainable connect, that rabta, which can be with anyone, is something that I truly connected with. And I remember meeting, so whenever I've met Dinu, I've usually met him for some other film, and he's narrated me some other film. And that's what happened. I had met him for something else, where he started narrating me Rabta unknowingly, when he was not even sure whether he was making it or not. And he just loved that story. And I went back home, and after it stayed with me for 2 days, and I just messaged him that, listen, that story that you told me in that meeting, why aren't you making that? I really want to do that. And then he called me back again, and I met Sushant for the first time. And he was like this surprise in that meeting because I didn't know he was coming. And no, I didn't know. And we did this scene, which, usually when you're meeting someone for the first time, in one go or two go, you're still saying your lines and all. But in the third take, I think something happened where we started completing each other's lines. And I felt there, it sort of came a little alive. And I really feel that I was meant to be a part of Rabta. And I had already this some Rabta with Rabta.
I remember meeting Dino, I think it was 2.5 years back, and I'm a selfish actor, so I just think about if I have to invest 6-7 months of my life, the script needs to be, it should excite me to great level. And I remember that meeting when we were discussing films. We discussed around four films, 4 scripts, and this was a film that he was not offering me, and it got stuck. And I read the script. I could not let it out of my head, although there are things in the film that personally I don't believe in, but the script was so well written, and the way Dinu narrated, I wanted to believe in all those things. So yeah, so if you, great time reading the script, building the character, and then experiencing shooting the film. And I hope you guys, when you watch the film, have the same wonderful experience. Thank you.
So this film would be incomplete without, I I think I have some sort of connection. My godfather is Parsi, a good friend of mine is Parsi, and he's Parsi and he knows it. And I think he has made me explore my own dark side that I didn't know. Ladies and gentlemen, Zach as Jim Saab. Say something.
Say things. Yeah, hey, wait, why am I not on the poster?
You're special. We've discussed this. We had to hide you.
I'm the hidden secret. Y'all didn't notice me in the trailer. No, I understand. I don't know.
You can wait.
I went in, I did an audition. I don't think I did it the way it was written. I did it a bit weird, you know? Which I think actually was how it was written, but that wasn't the brief we were getting. I don't know exactly what the deal was.
Making a lot of sense.
I was doing some things, and then I guess they liked it, so now I'm in the film.
Okay, I'd like to introduce, so I found a new partner during this film in terms of who has the same passion for music. The advantage was with this time I was directing, so I needed support, and these two gentlemen really supported me. One for any crazy thing I want. The other guy was, when he first directed, it was I was a first-time producer. It's strange that this time he's a first-time producer and I'm a first-time director. My really good friend and Maddox's new producer, Homia Dajania and Bhushan Kumar.
Why am I not on the poster?
The stage is a little small.
Your name is there. We are very excited at T-Series to produce this film. And as Dino rightly said, our passion is same. Means he loves music. I've done his music for his films, Cocktail and Agent Vinod, which did very well in terms of music. So we wanted to collaborate for films, and I still remember the day when I went to him, he showed me the poster, the first poster of Raabta. And I guess from that day, our Raabta has begun. So we are very, very excited about it and hoped more movies with the same banner in the same collaboration. Thank you.
Also would like to invite on stage the rock star, Mr. Krishan Kumar, who's also the producer. Give it up for him, ladies and gentlemen. And the co-producers, Poonam Shivdasani and Priya Gupta. And President T-Series Marketing, Mr. Vinod Bhanushali, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up for them. And we'll have a quick photo op. We'll have a photo up, don't worry. क्योंकि पहले तो कोई रोक नहीं सकता था. आपका बैट, आपका बॉल, मैं नहीं खेल रहा. What to...
Actually, you know, 10, 12 years back when I started, I didn't even know that I had a... Yeah, it's all Sushant. Huh? But I didn't even know I had a creative bone in me, and I think sometimes they say, "Na, the stories choose you." Right. So I remember Cocktail had gotten over, and I had, you know, disconnected and gone away, and I was at a chocolate shop, and this scene came to me of a girl and guy meeting, and I started developing it. I was in my own head, not even telling people. I was putting it together. I met Siddharth and Garima, who are my who have written this film, and you know, they got what I was thinking, and I think I really painstakingly worked them for a year and a half to get a script. Right. And it just happened. I don't know when, how, where. It just, honestly, just happened.
Right. Bhushan ji, this one's for you. Talking about content-driven cinema. You know, Maddox ki baat kar rahe hain, T-Series ki baat kar rahe hain, Hindi medium, Noor, Raabta. So please, your views on the same.
See, as I told you, means Dino has passion for films, cinema from long, and he always used to tell me whenever I used to discuss with him that our film should have some connect, some reality-based things to it which people can connect to. Sure. So that is the thing which got us connected. Both passion for making the content-driven cinema, which is very in these days. Everybody wants to see films which are connected to their lives or some real life incidents and all. So that's the connect, and that's why we are together with. And obviously, the music is the main passion which we both share.
Right. Thank you so much. Sushant, this one's for you. ट्रेलर में हमने देखा शुरू में ही कृति ने ऐसा कुछ चीज़ी बोल दिया कि भाई तुम तो यार चीज़ी का सहारा ले रहे हो. So was it रियल लाइफ में कभी ऐसा चीज़ी डायलॉग्स चिपकाने पड़े? वो was it your good looks की काम हो जाता था?
नहीं. क्या? क्या? जिस तरीके का कैरेक्टर शिव का है, बहुत कम ऐसे मौके मिलते थे मुझे अपनी लाइफ में जब मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ बाहर जाता हूँ रात को और फिर हम लोग मज़े करते हैं. तो मैं अपने बहुत कम ऐसे मौके होते हैं जब मैं अपने आप को बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग साउंड कर रहा होता हूँ और आई वॉन्ट टू होल्ड ऑन टू दैट कैरेक्टर, लेकिन वो सुबह सुबह फिर चला जाता है. तो आई यूज टू मिस माई दैट पार्ट ऑफ माई सेल्फ. बट शिव इज एग्जैक्टली दैट. So here was an opportunity to be my interesting self for 6-7 months at a stretch, and I was getting paid for it. So that was a great thing.
Yeah, please.
So when we started shooting, much before that, so Shiv talks a lot about himself, is in love with himself. Also, Maro's a lot of cheesy lines. So this guy had already started doing that, and I was like, you're really like Shiv. So he's like, no. This is not me. मैं शिव बनने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. मैं कैरेक्टर में घुस रहा हूँ. पिक्चर खत्म हो चुकी है, 1 साल हो चुका है, लेकिन अभी भी ये कैरेक्टर में ही है. So that is exactly him. And I think probably this was one character that he played which was so him, and he used to just tell us that no, I'm just getting to the method of it.
So, and you're making chocolates in this, right?
Yes, I make chocolates.
Right. So did you find your way into his heart through chocolates? ऐसा chocolates बना के कुछ ऐसा in the movie?
You just have to show chocolate. That's all.
Really?
Like he's this. So the way he reacts to ice creams, chocolates, and little babies is the same.
Okay.
Like that.
So now you know the secret, guys, huh?
The easiest thing to pataw him, or if you want him to just like you and not be like mean to you or whatever, is to give him chocolates and ice creams.
Chocolates, ice creams, and bachas. वो बोला.
But that you can. What?
Okay, cut it. किसी ने कुछ नहीं सुना. Jim, this one's for you. इससे पहले we've seen you play this terrorist का character, and people just loved you. Here you playing this stylish character. Please tell us something about that. एकदम ये transformation from a terrorist to this stylish guy.
Well, I wasn't actually a terrorist. Like I dress like this.
Okay, in
so
real
it
life.
wasn't a transformation.
So you're very stylish, you mean to say.
I mean, I have clothes.
Terrorists also wear clothes.
Yeah, but terrorists, I only
They wear
want one.
different clothes.
Yeah, I only want one outfit in the.
Okay, talking about your character in this movie.
He's a rich guy. He's a rich guy. He's cool.
You love playing that.
I know. I don't know. I don't know if I love anything. I like the other one as well. He's a rich guy. He has lots of money to spend. He handpicks all of his stuff. He's like that.
We got it, right? We got it. So I'm sure.
Yeah, I answered your question.
Yeah, he did.
You want to know more about my character in general?
They would love to know, and I'll also, be a part of the conversation.
I think he's a guy who knows exactly what he wants and has all of the resources at his disposal to go and get it.
All right, so with that, ladies and gentlemen, it's over to you. I know you have a lot of questions. So, G, please.
Dinesh. You can keep it. Here. Dinesh, here. On your right.
Yeah.
Hi. Especially since Sushant is he's a method actor and it's your debut film, so.
Actually, I tried to get the method out of him, for which we fed him a lot of chocolates. We distracted him with a lot of things. The first day he's such a good student. He came with 6 pages of his entire character ka sketch, where it started, and then I said, "Isko chhod dete there time." And my entire intent with this character was I knew there's a little bit of Shiv in him, And then I realized it's a lot of Shiv in him actually. He just hides it. And I wanted to bring that out. And I think it was the thing is we spent a lot of time together before we started the movie. So we were for 2 months workshopping, and I think they knew the script as well as I did. And it was a very collaborative process where when we were on set, we actually shot this film very quickly. I think we did about 60, 61 days. That's also because my elder sister is the production head and she feels that I spent too much money, so she was kind of... But it was very easy. It was a lot of fun.
हाय सुशांत, मेरा नाम आलोक है आपके लिफ्ट में. सवाल है, ऑन स्क्रीन केमिस्ट्री हमने देखी, ऑफ स्क्रीन केमिस्ट्री कैसी है आपकी कृति की?
केमिस्ट्री तो केमिस्ट्री होती है ऑन स्क्रीन लेकिन हाँ हम लोग ये भी इंजीनियर है, मैं भी इंजीनियर हूँ, दोनों दिल्ली से हैं. और
आप भी इंजीनियर हो?
आप भी इंजीनियर हो? आप भी आ जाओ केमिस्ट्री में. तो और दिल्ली से हैं तो बड़ी सारी बातें कॉमन थी जो बातें कर सकते थे. और
ऐसी ही है केमिस्ट्री जैसी दिख रही है एक्चुअली.
जी तो ऐसी है.
कृति, इसकी लाइन है एवरीथिंग इज कनेक्टेड, तो इससे आप कितना इत्तेफाक रखती हैं?
I really feel like everything, like I feel that I was meant to be a part of Rabta. And you know, it's so strange that before I had signed Heropanti, I had met him for something, generally, where he had narrated me the first scene of Rabta when the story was not developed. Like he was still working on it. And he had narrated me the first chocolate shop scene of this girl and boy and how they strangely feel connected. So it's like I had not even started films back then. And then after so many years doing this film, and that too in a random meeting, just feeling that connect with the script. So everything is connected.